Otis. Okay, we can only go up to one. Been modernised by Otis, whatever they are. That's where the old indicator used to be. This is the Here we go. So these are the new Schindler 5500 MRL lifts at Westfield, Manukau. So these used to be some 1970s lifts. I think they were either Express or Otis that had been modernised by Otis in the 90s. They've now been completely replaced with Schindler 5500s. Go back to ground. You can see I'm doing this on my phone again in service 2020. Here's your capacity. Oh shit. In you come.